It seems like I'm doing something to everyone else's car except for mine. No worries though, next week is going to be a soft video, I promise. So this right here is my little sister's truck. It's a 2007 Ford Explorer Sport Track, and its 10-year-old headlights and fog lights need an upgrade really bad. So I picked these up off Amazon. They are H13 and 9145 LED bulbs made by a company called Auxbeam. They're supposed to have a 1-year warranty on them, which is one of the main reasons why I picked them up, and because of that I'm gonna hope they're gonna be pretty good. I'll leave the Amazon links down below in case you're interested in doing this to your own Explorer. Now when it comes to changing bulbs on this truck, it's really simple. There are 3 10mm bolts along the headlight housing. All you need to do is pull those out and then remove the housing from the vehicle. From that point, it's just a matter of twist the old bulbs out and twist the new bulbs in. There's no sticking your hands in really tight places. There's no cutting your knuckles on metal everywhere in the car. Honestly, I wish most other cars were this easy to swap out. Once that's done, it's just a matter of reinstalling it and repeating it for the other side. Next are the fog lights. They're very simple for this truck because we had to cut the fender liners a bit to accommodate these General Grabber X3s, but should still be pretty simple on most trucks. All you need to do is reach down underneath this fender liner, pull out the plug, then turn the bulb counterclockwise and pop it out. One thing that is really disappointing is that there's a big difference between the color temperature of the fog lights and the color temperature of the headlights. It's pretty noticeable in real life, but it's not too bad. It looks like it's throwing a code for the high beam both left and right. The code does go away when you turn the truck off and turn it back on, but it's still a little annoying. It doesn't throw a code for low beam or fog lights, so at least it doesn't do that. In comparison with the old bulbs, it does throw a light pretty well, and I do have to admit it looks really cool. I'd say it's a worthwhile upgrade. If you like this video, hit like. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. Otherwise, do whatever else you do on the interwebs. Have fun, guys.